pia walienda wakaandika statement.
Wadhi county Masia sub-county Rarieda kod Bondo e county Mamsiayo yangoreni motelo ilandruok mar tuo mar Kachocho bilharzia. Oyangoreni wards abich mag sub-county bedo kod landruok mar tuo ne atamalo 60 ka bende tuoche mag ich bende landore atamalo 20. Midhiero makama okel kod medruok mar kamnio e nam lolwe to kod chenro mag pur madhi nyime e alworano. Lipot makama ochiw kod migawo mar thieth motimo nonro e gwenge mag Nyanza.
We don't go the routine way we do.
If you look at the mapping results, at least for this county, you'll be able to see that there's a proportion of households that are using sources of water that are not protected. So about 60% are using unprotected sources of water. These unprotected sources of water are like springs that are not protected and other surface waters. So I would recommend on that aspect that the county government comes in to ensure that community members access water that is protected.
We had 10 out of 30 wards having a prevalence of 2% and above for bilharzia, and wards that have 10% and above. This is according to the WHO threshold for us to intervene interventions. We had around 5 wards. And looking at the endemicity of this place, we were able to see wards that are bordering the lake mostly are having very high prevalence. Areas around Bondo. We have areas in Rarieda where we are getting up to 60% prevalence of this disease. This shows concern how probably we need to put intervention measures.
Nataka mikakati iwepo ambayo county zinaweza kuoni hiyo data, yani waone matokeo ya hizo utafiti zilifanywa ili wapange juhudi za kutafuta resources both za domestic zenye wanatafuta kutoka kwa county, wakipata support kutoka kwa national government na pia wakipata support kutoka kwa global partners. Sababu tunataka hizi mikakati zikuwe sustainable, tusikuwe tunategemea misaada kutoka nje kila wakati, na tunajua hizi ugonjwa kuna zingine ambazo ziko very focal, zinapatikana tu kwa sehemu fulani.